What's up, guys? We're here for our filler. We're trying to get our 5-box mixer number 641 underway, so we're going to try to get this fill as quick as possible and have it broke within the next few minutes. We're live. Good luck. Best of luck. 4 times in the random. 5 spots going up for grabs here. So top 3 names after 4 will get spots. Good luck. And it is 11:37. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 11:37, and 11:37 it is. Last and final is going to do it. Wow, Besser, top 2 spots, you lucky, and then Theo in spot 6. Let's get this timestamp for you. 4th and final timestamp on the video is at 11:37, and 11:37 it is. So Besser, you get 3, 4 spots, man, and then Theo gets 1. Thanks for joining us, guys. We'll see you soon.